Hey everybody, this is killingerk. I have a cold. And I'm going to open this box for you guys, or at least try. It's a netbook cooling plan and maybe try out for my laptop. Again, I got my mouse I'm going to be trying out, and this I'm going to be trying out. I got one hand because I'm not doing it like your usual way. Don't dish me right now. My tablet's dying too. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after I do a try out, and yeah. I'm not going to do a really big longer review because I'm sick and the tablet's dying. Thank you guys. This is unboxing for the fan pad. Whatever. Yeah, fan, whatever. Talk to you guys later. Bye. Peace.